Welcome back, guys. Johnny here, and I got a special guest here today. We're going to talk about Neo and Neo Day. So let's get started.
Nice. And plays that little intro, huh?
Yep. All right, guys. So we are going to talk about Neo. Like I said, with my friend here, we're going to go over some things. How you doing today, man?
I'm doing good, you?
Doing all right. Doing all right. Yeah. So big things are happening with Neo right now. As you can see, it's up 15% for the week. Neo, when did Neo Day happen? Was that yesterday?
I believe it was the 9th, was it?
The 9th? Yep.
It was Saturday.
Yep. That put it right here. So from the 8th to the 11th. From $59 pretty much overnight, over the weekend, it looks like, and hit that 65 high. Got down a little bit, not bad. What's your kind of your play here on Neo?
It was up after hour, and I think Neo's time to buy right now, to be honest. The best time to buy. I believe by this time next year, I'm estimating at least $100 to 120 stock.
Nice, nice.
I'm
Very
thinking
nice.
so.
So it'll actually double from where it's at now. And it started at $2.84. When it IPO'd, it was listed at $6 even September 12th, 2018. Did you know that? That's crazy.
No,
Huh?
I didn't, but I know it had just IPO'd and released here on the 20th to the public.
To the
I want to
public,
say
want to hear?
right around
The 20th, right? 2020 somewhere.
yes,
Yeah. And that was even lower, like about $3.
he has introduced to the public, so it hasn't even been a complete year that it's been out.
Jeez, dang. So when did you get in on Neo then? What's kind of your average
I remember
right
at
now?
first the first video I heard, I got in at Neo around $30. So
Nice.
if I check my
Jeez.
shares, I could actually tell you how much shares I have.
Nice.
Let me check it out.
Yeah, I've heard some good things about Neo. For all you guys that don't know, Neo's actually has to do with the manufacturing design of electric vehicles.
EV, they're in the same lane
EV.
as Tesla.
Yeah, they are competing for a spot in Tesla. And they're actually doing a fantastic job. Seeing how Tesla has also gone up tremendously, Neo's not far behind.
Yes, they just dropped that new sedan, and there was good news. The only downplay I think I had on it was the price of the 69,000. They weren't appealing to masses, but it still has lots of upside.
Wow. 69,000 for that base model?
Yes, actually, you get I believe you get the subscription with the battery, and then they sell a lesser version.
Yeah, I've heard about the battery.
Yeah.
Honestly, it seems like they're promoting the battery more than the car at the moment because it's going to be like so. It's just going to be such a game changer.
Yeah, and it's actually supposed to hold up to at least 621 miles.
Yeah.
So they were saying that, the average person drives around 10,000 miles. It's only about 16 charges.
That's
Yeah.
insane. That's
No,
insane.
the way technology is getting, it's only going to grow more.
Which would actually reduce the need for all the Tesla stations. I mean, you'd have them, but you wouldn't necessarily need them as much.
Yeah, so I
Mostly like an emergency.
currently own 35 shares myself,
Nice.
and I got a up gain of almost 800. So it's doing good.
So 800 in profit
That's 800 in profit.
if you were to sell today.
Yeah,
Wow.
if I was a Saturday, but no
Yeah.
sell and hold. You see any dips? Don't worry, you know what I mean? If you believe in the company and there's YouTubes out here, you see
Yeah.
my friend here promoting it. You could watch lots of different YouTubers and do your own analysis, or do your own reading.
Yep.
But there's plenty of 9-minute videos. Watch several different people. I would encourage watch people you don't like, or like their opinion, because they might have something good to say about it, even though they're saying something bad about it. A company, anything you're in, it may be true.
Yep, that's true.
So,
That's true. And not only that, you could use this as a long-term play. You could use it as a short-term play. You could day trade it.
yeah.
You could do options on it. I mean, this company seems like it's going to be there for a while. They're up 184% in 3 months. So, I mean, what? October 12th, you could have got it for $20, and you could have sold it in profit and got out if you wanted. But this is definitely a long-term play
Yes.
because you're going to want to reap the benefits.
I would say at least hold till 2025.
There you
Try to
go.
hold to there at
There you
least.
go. 2025. Nice. Nice. Well, guys, you heard it from us. Um, leave us a comment down below if you agree or disagree. And if you want to see this guy back on another episode, let us know in the comments.
Apologize, I was kind of nervous my first time, but anyways, getting on Neum stocks, you should get in on stocks anyways. It's good for investing.
Yep.
Forget putting it in the bank, If you gamble or any type of thing, yes, investing is a gamble, but at least you're making a risk to make more money.
Yep.
Instead of just going to the gas station and spending on munchies. You could put $10 in on Cash App
Yep.
stocks. That's where I started from.
Cash apps.
Yeah,
Okay.
Cash App.
Okay. Do you have any type of referral set up for that? If we were to drop a link down in the description,
I
could
actually
people
don't
sign
even
up?
think Cash App has nothing like that for
Nothing like
referral
that.
links. So
Okay.
tell them they need to get it started,
Yeah, there you go.
right?
Throw it for Cash App. Why not? They do it for Robinhood and Webull.
Yeah.
Get free stocks. And again, if you guys are familiar with this platform, it is Robinhood. And if you sign up with the link below, you can get a free share up to $170. Pretty cool.
Nice,
Mm-hmm.
nice.
Yep. Same with Webull.
Anything free sounds good to me.
Yeah. Actually, I signed up with Webull and got a free share when I used someone's link. It was like $5, and then I put $100 in it, and they gave me two more free shares that were both $9.
Yeah.
So I literally put $100 in and made a 25% return,
I
and I
would
did
say
nothing.
same here. I got into Webull as well. I did the same thing. $100, and I got about 28, 30 back in shares. I sold them all, but I didn't take my gains out. I put them into other shares, but
Yep. For all you guys who don't know, Webull is an awesome commission-free platform that you can also trade. It's like Robinhood, but a lot of people are saying it is better.
yeah,
A lot of cool things. This is the platform. This is kind of what it looks like on the market end. They also have a trading platform like TD Ameritrade or E-Trade, a live platform that you can look at and look at all your technical analysis, your SMA lines, your VWAPs, your volumes, all that. If you do day trade or swing trade,
yeah. And they say the best thing about Webull, I think, compared is you could actually start at 4 in the morning. The stocks in and Robinhood, and even Cash App, they don't start till 7:30 a.m. So if you're
wow,
trying to get early buy, early like they
smart.
say, early bird gets the worm. I would go with Webull.
Yep. Yep. Good things. Good things on that. Kind of the same investments on Webull. Would you say on your portfolio?
I actually switched up my portfolio. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Wish. It's been getting lots of controversy, which, I don't believe it too much myself because when you order, it takes at least about a month, month and a half or something to come in from Wish. But they are getting better product, and I do have a good friend of mine that goes through, orders this stuff from Wish, and I gotta admit, the product's
Yeah.
getting better with
Yeah.
the time.
And I actually use Wish too. I did in the summer, and I got like a ton of makeup. We got some outfits, clothes. Actually, I got this from Wish.
They
Case.
IPO'd or something around 20 or 17. They went up to 24, then they shot down back to 17, and then now I think they're sitting on 2021. So
This isn't probably the best platform to use.
as long as you see it actually those steady off or finding a nice steady bottom.
Wish stock IPO. Oh my gosh. Well, that didn't help either. Wish IPO share price up $22 to $24.
Yeah, that was
Yeah.
about right, huh? It,
Yeah. I was trying to get like this chart back more. I don't know what's going on
mhm.
with this chart. I was trying to show some of the financials and stuff. That's also why sometimes Robinhood can be a good benefit too, if you're not familiar. Because again, Webull is nice, but it's definitely not like beginner friendly. Have you noticed? Like it's kind of a little complex
So I've never
with
done
Webull.
Robinhood, and I'm really fresh to Webull, so this is all new to me, to be honest, too, as well.
Yeah. So Wish actually is context logic. Is that correct? Or is this not the right ticker symbol?
That's the right one, I believe. No, that might be the wrong one. Let me check it out.
Hmm.
Oh,
Or is it just not coming up on here?
Context logic. Yeah.
That's what it is, huh?
Uh-huh.
So which company is actually Context Logic? And good call on that. Look at this company, as you can see. Hasn't even been out for 5 years. It's been what, less than a year?
I want to say maybe a month, 2 month and a half.
Okay.
So it's something at least to throw on your watch list. That's for
There
sure.
it is, right there. So yeah, so it listed December 16th, 2020 at $24. Not bad. Okay. So there's a chart we want to see.
You know we're under right now, so you would say you're under. Why talk about it? But it's staying steady.
Mm-hmm.
So just watch it. But if you see it start getting to 30,
Mm-hmm.
you might want to jump on it.
And which is a good platform. You get all the pretty much, I'm not even sure if I could say the Chinese made or whatever, foreign made goods,
Yeah,
but you're cutting out the middleman essentially and you're getting it at a discount.
you got to look where the world's
Mhm.
going to. Right now,
Yep.
Biden's going to be in office. China's the big dog right now. And look at the ads, everywhere, wishes everywhere. Just kind of look for any
Yep.
stock you're looking for. Just look what's pointing to.
Exactly. Yep. Yep.
Or another good one is Peloton. I have to speak on.
Peloton. Yep.
I got in that I think around $70, and now they're
Is it
sitting
Peloton?
around.
Is it Peloton?
I don't know what the ticker symbol is actually. Let me check it out. PTON.
Peloton.
It's at like 155 a share right
Wow.
now.
Nice. All right. So let's talk about that. Good things about Peloton then.
Yes, they actually Beyonce just signed that deal with Peloton, and they just recently did the commercial this month. I want to say maybe 2 weeks ago. It was number 8 trending on YouTube. Um, it's like an integrative software. Yeah, it's the new age.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you see the commercials. If you haven't seen the commercial, then you must not live in America, pretty much, because this thing's everywhere. This thing's in the UK. It's in London.
And
It's
these
all over the
commercials just
world.
started showing
Mm-hmm.
everywhere,
Yep.
back to back.
And this actually right now, 88% buy rating from analysts, 156 share price, and it has actually
Wow,
gone up 440% in 1 year.
a good one.
That's a good one. Good job.
I think it's gonna be 200
Good
soon.
job. Hey, listed February 12th for $28, and people were like, "What the heck is this?"
They didn't believe in it, and
Yep.
then they thought it was gonna fail because of this whole, what's going on with
And it
the
was
world.
actually founded in 2012, headquartered in New York. They have
Yes.
3,600 employees.
Wow.
$44 million market cap. That's amazing, guys. They have so much money to play with, invest in, research technology, inventory, whatever they want. They have a lot of money to mess around with. It's in the billions. And the PE ratio is fantastic. Actually, no, it's not. What is that? Okay, their PE ratio is insane. It's at a 2.09 thousand. That's insane. I do not invest in anything under 50 PE ratio, but that's just me.
Yeah.
That's just me.
Uh-huh.
This is a fantastic play.
He knows a lot more than me too, so we're still learning off of each other.
Exactly. But it is a fantastic play, and I'll tell you why. Because their earnings are also there too. They're making about a quarter right now for every share they have. So 27%, about a quarter per share on that. 88% of analysts out of 25 ratings are saying this is a buy. That's amazing. Some of the stocks on Robinhood don't even get that many ratings. They'll be like 6, 7, maybe 5. So yeah, this is definitely another one to look at and invest in early.
And then, so let's get
And it's not too late.
a cheaper one.
It's not too late.
Yellow.
Yellow?
Yes.
Yellow.
Symbol. Let me see. I got it right here. Get my phone to work.
Yellow.
Oh no.
Yellow? No, not yellow.
No, it's yellow.
It's an A or with a Y?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
There it is.
Yala?
Yeah.
Yala?
Yala.
Yala Group.
Yala Group.
Okay. What do you think? What exactly is Yala Group?
So it's like somewhat it's like a chat room, which is a verbal chat room.
Verbal
It's
chat.
real big right now in the Middle East.
Okay. Okay, in the Cayman Islands, it looks like too.
Yes.
Okay.
And it just IPO'd, I believe, too, recently.
Yep, it looks like it IPO'd September 30th, 2020. So just a little over 3 months for nine
I
dollars and
think
seventy five
it
cents.
shot up to 24, and now
Yeah.
it's back down to 20.
Its all time high. It doesn't show highs and lows on here, which is weird. I think actually, yes, it does.
I think we're
$23.18
see,
was
but
its high.
and it's starting to climb back up.
Yep. Now, for all of you who don't know, this is actually headquartered in Dubai.
Yes, Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah.
Market cap 2.6 billion, so it's a little bit smaller of a company, but it is growing fast. 50 PE ratio. That is actually a little more reasonable for some of you long-term investors who are a little bit like a little scared. But fantastic, 2 million volume, so definitely very liquid. You can get in and out of this position very easily if you are a short-term trader.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, if you're looking long-term, basically, it's saying it operates a voice-centric social networking and entertainment platform,
Yes.
mainly in the Middle East and North Africa region. Its platform allows individuals, users, free access to the basic functions on the platform. So I'm assuming they'll have to pay to get a premium
Yes, I actually
access.
went and downloaded the app after I invested in the stock, to see what it's all about.
Mm-hmm.
So there you go again, anything you invest in, you want to at least see what the company's about,
Yep.
because I heard the users spend up to at least 4 to 6 hours on the app. So I'm like,
Wow.
okay,
So what do you think of it? Have you looked at it yet? What
I
does it look
did
like?
look at it.
Is it like
It's
kind of like Facebook, Instagram?
it's way different, way complicated. Like you could tell it's on the other side of the world. You know what I mean? But that doesn't mean because we're using it. It's a big world.
Mm-hmm.
Other people aren't using
Oh,
it.
there's so many people in North Africa and the
So
Middle East. I mean, there's millions,
so the big
millions of
thing where
people.
they're actually making their money though is they got Yalla Group and then they got Yalla Ludo, and all it is pretty much you're playing dominoes or you're playing like Trouble, but then
Okay.
you could put money down for these games, I
Oh
believe.
wow. So almost like nursery games, kid games, but you can like
So
put money down.
I was,
Interesting.
I've read about it. People were saying like this seems like an old platform from 2008 or something. But just because it's old to us, it's new to a different part of the world. They're
Wow.
jumping all over it,
Interesting.
evidently.
Interesting. Y'all group. Check it out, guys. They're up 100% in 3 months. That's insane. You ain't gonna get this investing with just a traditional, 8% a year returns.
So that would have been great on stock options if you
Yeah,
have a lot of
3
money.
months.
You could have got in at that $10, bought 100 shares right there, 1,000 your
Yep.
stock option,
Yep.
couple hundred. If you would have predicted to go up, bam.
Yep. You could have took essentially $900 in investment and made $1,700.
I ain't got much in yellow, but it was negative, 60, 65 for me. I didn't worry, and now it actually was up today plus $5, and now I'm back down -5. But that isn't nothing
And that
because
must be this little dip here.
there's the little, we got a bounce back.
Mhm.
We always want to try to find the bottom.
Yep. And there's your bottom there. And it looks like it might. You have the double bottom actually. You see that right there?
Mhm.
It has that little kind of double bottom here, and then it shows up. Yep.
So if anything, once you see that, then you just jump on the Webull or your Robinhood and you see what it's doing after hour.
Yep.
Just pay close attention to it with anything.
Yep. Exactly. We can see the charts here perfectly too. Yep. Pretty cool.
They're good little candles.
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely. This is a really cool feature that Robinhood's actually added.
Yeah, you
You
can
can look at
even
the
see
moving
what the
average,
easy
exponential.
bottom. If we're looking for a bottom, we're looking at 15, I want to say.
Yep. MACMDs or volume. Yep. A lot of volume here that day. Lots of volume. Sell off, and then also on what day was this? Oh, this
Beginning
is
of it.
today. This is today.
This is today.
Yep, this is today. We can look at let's get to 3 months. There we go. There we go. Lots of volume here as it was going up. Lots of people buying it around December. A little bit of a sell off December 15th, bounced back December
And
20th,
that's what you want to
and
see.
now it fell back January 3rd.
And then this nice little bounce back. That's what we
Yep.
wanted to see.
Yep.
If we had saw it dippy down, then that was your time to probably get out.
And on the MACMD right here, it's actually saying that it's a little bit oversold. So it has a nice bounce, a nice flow back up to the top. Mm-hmm.
So we're hoping. I mean, I ain't got to do my last research, but it's looking like it could be at least to 25 soon. You know what I mean?
Yep. And if not, the resistance levels that were previous are at 20 right now.
They're
So
about to break
even
them.
if it goes up $2.50, it will definitely meet up with this resistant line. As for support, it looks like it's gone to a low about 14, and to that's probably where your resistant line is going to be. So that's actually tremendous.
Yeah,
Right now at this point, now it's kind of in the middle, but definitely oversold, and that bounce back is just going to slingshot it up, like you said, to like
yeah.
say
I
25,
would say
30.
just watch it from
Mm-hmm.
here on out. You know what I mean?
Yep. Add it to your watch list. Definitely. Definitely good stuff. I don't even think I have it on mine. No, I do have it on mine. Thanks to this guy. I've been watching on it for a little while, so
Yeah.
very cool.
And I don't know.
I think that's really good, man.
Think we did it all?
Yeah, I think that's really good.
Maybe we should touch back
Um,
on Neo again.
on Mio,
Or X Pong.
X Pong. Let's see, X.
X
What's that?
Pong's doing
X Pong.
P. It's
Oh,
a spelled ping.
X
Peng, but it's pronounced.
P.
But it's X in front
Oh,
of
there
it.
is an X. Okay. Okay. All right. Throwing out some of these little hard ones here. Let's see.
Let
Let's
me see,
see.
is it there? Let me find the stupid
Whoops.
symbol. XP,
Yeah, you got it. It's just
XPEV,
oh E V E V.
or
Okay.
the symbol, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Yo, yo, what up, brother?